Hello and welcome to the MatrixChart Systems YouTube channel. My name is Steve and I'm your designated driver throughout these videos. We're finally back with another installment of videos for your education and viewing pleasure. So what have we been up to? We have been thinking and planning to deliver better and simpler tools for you to understand the markets, pick out stocks with high potential and profit from the uncertainties in the market. Over the next few months, we will be coming up with more videos on the new tools. Yes, we have a range of new tools. Ladies and gentlemen, the first one I'm going to introduce is the Matrix Viewer. In this video, you will see how easy it is to find, trade, and exit for profits with our brand new tool, the Matrix Viewer. This system is so simple and easy, I spend only about 15 minutes a week as an investor. If I can do it, you can. Let's begin. So I've logged into the MatrixChart System Ops. As you can see, we're on the first page, the signal selection page. If you want to know more about this market sentiment meter or this market sentiment behavioral chart, we do have videos on YouTube currently that describe this, so do check out our earlier videos. Today we're going to be talking about Matrix Viewer, so let's go ahead and click that. As you can see, this is a very simple and very clean software, very simple system. And I'm going to walk you through how to use it and how simple it is. In fact, like I said just now, I spend only a couple of minutes every week just to check my investments and to decide whether or not to take action and what type of action to take. So let's begin. So to add a stock, what you do is you click on stock name, and I'm going to put Thai baht as it is of particular interest to me. So you put Thai baht at stock, and you select a date. So maybe I didn't buy it yesterday. I bought it like 2 years ago or something. So I'll select the date, and then you need to enter the price at which you have bought it at, and of course the number of shares. Just put it at this amount, and you click Add Stock. Once you click Add Stock, the stock will be automatically put into your portfolio management over here, and immediately you will have access to very quick information. The price of entry, the number of shares that you bought, the date you bought it at, the absolute stock, which is very critical in our investment strategy. When do we know to really exit that investment or that trade? This is what we look for. The danger price alert is more for when you are an investor and it falls below this price, you need to take a good look at it. Okay, the market alert will tell you what you should do, okay, and you can take this advice. It says for Thai baht, it says timing exit half profits. That means that you're in a very good position. The stock is already in uptrend, and you should take out half of the number of units. So what I'll do is I'll take a look at this. I said 100,000 shares. I'll probably take 50,000 out of this investment. So let's take a look at a few other information. What you also get is you will also get money market behavior. It says that money market is searching for direction right now. Trend level is 75.7, which is okay. Daily momentum is weak, as you can see here. So the daily momentum would actually signify or describe the weekly momentum, and the weekly momentum would actually describe over the long term, which is the month or the year ahead. So it's actually strong in the longer term. Okay, so high probability of trending. We're actually looking at about 82.2. Will be a very healthy number. Okay, if the probability is 82.2, it's very good to go. Okay, of course, risk level, we need to always check the risk level, because part of our investment management is understanding the risk. We also get information like daily volume and volume momentum. So what we want to see here, if we are looking at entering, okay, is if you entering or a few other actions, you look at we want to see at least two times of the dominant volume. Why 2 times, you ask? Because 2 times would mean that it's very safe. That means it's, the market is deciding very clearly on what their sentiment is, or what do they feel. So if there's 2 times number of the dominant volume, it is really good to take a close look again. Okay, demand For volume is extreme low. As you can see, this is not even 1 times of the volume. Market sentiment behavior is currently uptrending. Market sentiment alert not applicable. And the price velocity behavior, which is expecting a rising price, which is pretty congruent with the front. Okay, so let's do another example. We'll do it again. So step 1, you go to add a stock. Let's do Sheng-Siong. Search. By the way, you don't have to put the full name out. You can just put the first few letters and they'll find it for you. There you go. Okay. Add stock. Let's just say we bought it in 1/5. Maybe September. Maybe 1st. Okay. Number of shares. And then we click add stock. So the great thing about the system is actually remembers for you everything you need to remember, and it keeps track of the profits that you're in. So you don't really have to remember anything, and just take a couple of minutes every week, especially for investors like myself. We are not trading, we are investing. Of course, we're going to do another video on how trading works on our MatrixChart systems. But for the investors, you can really spend a few minutes each day just to check, your absolute stop, your danger price alert, and actually what to do. Okay, so as you can see, I put in Sheng-Siong. I got in on this date, for example, and the price is this amount. Absolute stop is 0.79. Okay, and the market alert, which is pretty important. Every time once I on it, I look at this instruction, right? Market alert says booking full profits. So if we are in the green here. Okay, so we'll click the Trend Max Viewer, and in Trend Max Viewer we see that market is also searching for direction. Daily momentum is week 2. Weekly momentum is strong. Probability 70.8, and risk behavior is high. So this is a very clear, understanding, or it's a very clear sign that you shouldn't be going into this right now. Okay, demand is low, even though it's uptrending, and there is expecting rising price. So today I showed you 2 stocks that are in SGX. Actually there are the 8 major ones, NASDAQ, NYSE, Hong Kong, etc. You can all have access to all this data when you sign up with us to get this system, and it's really affordable, and it's really great. So what this really is a very simple way to take a look at your investments or your trades, and it's available on all tablets and Android and Apple. So you can, sometimes I don't even turn on my computer. I just, use my Samsung or my iPad to check out on the investments. If you're like me, you just want quick information, what to do, what not to do, when to get in, when to get out. This is an excellent product that we've spent a lot of time. And lastly, if you're the type of person who likes to look at charts, of course you can click charts. We're not limited you. Once you click on the name, voila, the chart will be out. And if you want to look at all the tools that are up here, you can look at our earlier videos as well. I posted a number of tools that you can find on our YouTube channel. Okay, so as you can see, this is a very simple to use system. You don't even have to look at charts. If you want to, you can, but you don't have to. Just for really quick and important information. So lastly, I'd like to show you really quickly how I look through the entire portfolio in just a couple of minutes. Because like a lot of you, I'm also very busy. I just want to get quick information, tell me what to do, what not to do, and I like to get on with the rest of the things in my life. So what I do, I log in, I go straight to Matrix Viewer, I load my entire portfolio, I scroll and I look at a few things: absolute stop and danger price alert. Okay. Earlier in the video, I explained why those things are important, and this is a good portfolio so far, and especially for this one, this is actually sitting on more profits because this is a REIT, real estate investment trust. It pays healthy dividends frequently throughout the course of the year. right? The next thing I look at is the market alert. Okay, this sometimes gives me the instructions of what to do. So for this example, timing exit half profits. This means that this stock, which we have visited earlier, Sheng Siong, is doing well, and is doing so well we should exit half of the profits. Okay, next I go to the Trend Max Viewer. The Trend Max Viewer, I look for a few things as well. I look at the trend status, I look at the money market behavior really quickly, and then as an investor I go over the weekly momentum. Okay, the daily momentum is important as well. Remember, the daily momentum talks about the week ahead, but the weekly momentum talks about the month. So as an investor, I really look out for this. And I also look at risk. I look at the volume momentum. I make sure it's 2 times the dominant volume. If it's 2 times, I'll take a close look for entry. And I'll look at the market sentiment behavior, and also to get a sense of the expectation. So for example, it says price is going to rally, falling price, rising price, right, expecting price slowdown, etc, etc. Lastly, that I have not discussed earlier in the video, is I go to market guidance. Now what this is it actually shows the 3 things that we talked about in one of our earlier videos, which is critical, right? If you don't understand what the SS/T analyzer is, the Smart Ops Cloud Analyzer is, the Velocity M Analyzer is, please look at our earlier videos, because I just want to keep this video really short and sweet. So that's it. That's all the things I check, and then I decide whether to exit or to enter, and then I just switch off my computer and have a good day. Thank you again for watching this video. Do click subscribe for more MatrixChart Systems videos. The Matrix Viewer is available for purchase on www.MatrixChartSystems.com. Also as well, for the latest updates, like us on Facebook at facebook.com/MatrixChartSystems. I'll see you in the very next video.